After you successfully installed your Samsung Smart System, we have an option called Smart Install. This will detect if there's anything that the installer done incorrectly. To initialize that, you'll need your wireless controller. You'll need to press the power, mode, and set button and hold them simultaneously. The unit then should beep, open up, and your 7-segment display will start out at 0 and start to count up. What we're looking for is to get to 99 and finish without any faults. If we get any error codes, at that point it'll be displayed on the 7-segment display and we can start our troubleshooting procedure. So as you can see here, during the Smart Install, we got up to 68 of the 99 steps and the system found an error code. That error code is E422. That is an EEV or valve close detection error. So now we're going to troubleshoot that error. Basically, we're seeing no temperature differential across the expansion valve. So looking at the installation things that we've done, we're going to first check to make sure our service valves are open. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the outer cover to access the line sets. Take our adjustable wrench, remove the cap to the king valve, and verify that both service valves are open. So as you can see here, the top service valve was not open the whole way. So we're going to go ahead and open this back up. Now that we've fixed the service valve and opened it completely, we'll need to reset the system to clear the error code and run it back through Smart Install. We should get no error codes and the display should go all the way to 99. Once it gets to 99, the outdoor and the indoor unit should shut off and it should just display normal operation with no error codes.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.